Hello, everyone. In this session, we want to discuss virtual machine Nic Teaming. Nic Teaming allows you to combine up to 32 network adapters and then use them as a single network interface. If you have Nic Teaming configured, what you're going to be doing is you are going to be using bandwidth from all the network adapters that you have, and you have what is called bandwidth aggregation, which means that you're going to combine that bandwidth. Nic Teaming gives you redundancy so that if one of your network adapters fail, then your communication will not stop. You simply will use another network adapter to continue communication. So you are able now to maintain communication with other hosts on the network at all times. There are some requirements that must be met if you are going to use Nic Teaming. The host machine and the virtual machines must be running Server 2012 or later. You must have at least 2 or more virtual network adapters available in the virtual machine. And the virtual network adapters must be configured to be available for teaming. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to configure the network adapter for teaming. Within the Hyper-V console, we're going to right-click on the virtual machine. We're going to click on Settings. Then we want to expand Network Adapter. And we want to click on Advanced Features. On the left-hand pane, at the very bottom, you're going to see Nic Teaming. We want to click on the checkbox, enable this network adapter to be part of a Nic team in the guest operating system. So we're going to click the checkbox. We're going to say apply and OK. After we have enabled virtual Nic Teaming on the virtual network adapter, we now want to configure Nic Teaming. So we're going to minimize our console, Hyper-V Manager console. And on Server Manager, we're going to click on All Servers. Our server London host 1, we're going to configure Nic Teaming on London host 1. So we want to right click and simply select Configure Nic Teaming. We want to give the team a name. So here in the Teams column, we're going to click the down arrow by task, and we're going to click New Team. We're going to give the team a name. We're going to call it Nic Team. Nic Team. And we press Enter. And now we want to select the adapters that we want to be part of the team. So we're going to click the first adapter, click the checkbox of the first adapter, and we're going to click the checkbox for the second adapter. And then we want to click on OK. Now we want to go into Control Panel and look at our network settings so that we can see the Nic team that we created. So we're going to minimize the Nic Teaming window. We're going to click here, Restart Later for our lab purposes. And we're going to go to File Explorer. We're going to click the up arrow here to bring us to the Control Panel. click on Control Panel. We want to click on Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing, and then click on Change Adapter Settings. And here we can clearly see that we have created a Nic Team. Let's just click on the Nic Team to highlight it. To recap, Nic Teaming provides redundancy, allowing network communication to occur over the combined network interface, even when one or more of the network adapters fail. The combination of network adapters also increases the bandwidth available to the combined network interface. Nic Teaming is a feature available in the Windows Server 2012 operating system that both the Hyper-V host and Hyper-V virtual machines can use. This is the end of our session on Nic Teaming, and I want to thank you for listening.